From the PEP Radio Newsroom, this is the Lunch Hour News Blast. WHTM ABC 27 in Harrisburg is reporting that a judge on Wednesday temporarily blocked a Montana law that restricts transgender people's use of bathrooms in public buildings. The measure, which Republican Governor Greg Gianforte signed into effect last week, threatened to deprive transgender people of their constitutional right to equal protection under the law, Montana District Court Judge Shane Venata ruled. The law prevents people from using restrooms in public buildings that do not align with the sex they were assigned at birth. The 5 people who sued over the law were likely to prevail, Venata added in his ruling. The new law is motivated by animus and supported by no evidence that its restrictions advance its purported purpose to protect women's safety and privacy, Venata wrote. The judge's order will be in effect until at least April 21st, when there will be a hearing on whether it should continue to be blocked while the lawsuit moves ahead. Gianforte's spokesperson Caitlin Price said the governor will defend the law and the privacy and safety of women and girls. The law would require public buildings, including the state capitol, schools, jails, prisons, libraries, and state-funded domestic violence shelters, to provide separate spaces for men and women. It defines the sexes based on a person's chromosomes and reproductive biology, despite a recent state court ruling that declared the definitions unconstitutional. The order wasn't unexpected. Bill sponsor Republican Representative Carrie Seekins-Crow said in an emailed statement, "I am thankful that there is a team of Montanans devoted to protecting women's spaces from men who desire to invade them," said Seekins-Crow. At least a dozen other states already have variations of bathroom bans on the books, many directed at schools. Even more states, including Montana, have passed laws to ban gender-affirming medical care for transgender children and keep trans girls out of girls' sports. Montana's law allows people to sue a facility if it does not prevent people from using restrooms or changing rooms that do not align with their sex assigned at birth. They can recover nominal damages, generally $1, and the entity could be required to pay the plaintiff's legal fees. If you watch our videos on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to the PEP Radio channel. The Pennsylvania Equality Project 2025 LGBTQ+ housing survey is now open. Details are available on their website, paequality.com. That's our news blast. Up next is the National Weather Service forecast for the Meadville area here on PEP Radio.